New mold features. In ZW3D 2023, there are some new mold features for mold detail design, such as the Airvent, oil groove, and engrave. Firstly, the Airvent. Pick the parting faces and the parting line. The Airvent will be in the preview. The space and the vent side are customizable. You can also enable the level 2 and the level 3. The Airvent of this region will be finished in a second. Repeat the operation for another region. In this region, there is a hole. You can adjust the point's location and the vent channel angle to keep distances from the hole. Between the two cavities, you can finish the Airvent for 2 times. The number and the sizes of level 2 and level 3 can also be customized. When you create the vent for another cavity, it will recognize the existing channel and stops there. After single simplify, the Airvent design is finished. Oil groove is everywhere on the mold. In this version, ZW3D offers 6 mainstream types of the oil grooves. You can set the location, the layout, and the size of groove. The third one is the engrave. You can directly create the text shape on the mold plate. It is very flexible to adjust the text size and the font. You can also generate the slot at the same time. These new mold features make mold detail design much more automatic.